I think, sir, there is no substitute to hard work. Keep working hard and don't listen to others. Sleepy classes checker, sir.
Right.
उन्होंने जब से समझाया था, and it was so very lucid, and I felt that yes, we can go with sociology.
Glad to have you, Lakshmi. And first of all, heartiest congratulations. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So where are you right now? Are you in your home state or are you preparing from somewhere outside your home state?
No, sir. I'm in Odisha, currently staying at Jajpur district.
Right. So you have been preparing all throughout from your home only?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was in Delhi for a brief period of time from 2019 to 2020. And after the lockdown, I came back to Odisha again.
So in Delhi, you were preparing for UPSC? Taking coaching for UPSC?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So how is the feeling as of now? Aas-paas, neighbors mein, family, everybody must be very happy. Everybody must be very thrilled.
Yes, sir. I'm relieved right now that I don't have to sit for state PCS again.
Yes.
And I'm more than happy and relieved as of now.
Right. That's awesome. That's awesome. So tell me something about yourself, Lakshmi. You come from which background? You have a technical background. What have you done in your graduation?
I did my graduation in zoology subject, BSc
Zoology.
Basic Zoology. Yes, sir. And after that, after giving my semesters only, I went to Delhi. Immediately, I think in 10-15 days. Yes.
And what's your age as of now? What's your age?
As of now, sir, I'm 24 years, sir.
Oh, very good. 24 years of age. And so I'm seeing this pattern that young students, at a very young age, 24 is a very young age, that you've achieved this feat. And so, I mean, for the next 35 years, at least now you're secured in the Odisha Civil Service. So that is a big thing. That is a big thing. But I'm sure your hunger has not stopped here. You will obviously go for the bigger, fish, which is the UPSC. And so what? Yeah. So did you write the prelims this year?
No, sir, I did not. I had only attempted the 2020 prelims of UPSC and I could not clear that. After that, I was busy preparing for state PCS only. I did not give UPSC prelims after that.
Any plans to sit for it next year?
So my first preference is police services here.
Right.
As well as in UPSC also, IPS is my first preference.
Right.
If I will be getting deputy SP here in Odisha, then I think I might not be sitting in UPSC again. But if I get any other services, then I will go to UPSC.
How has sleepy classes been of benefit to you in your entire preparation?
Sir, when I decided, this was my second attempt, and in my first attempt, I had zoology as my optional. I didn't have a sociology background, so I could not clear because of zoology background. So when I decided that yes, I'll be going for sociology, I had studied few lectures from your sleepy classes, Shekhar sir.
Right.
उन्होंने जब से समझाया था, and it was so very lucid, and I felt that yes, we can go with sociology. So after watching initial 6-7 lectures, I decided I'll go for it. But unfortunately, I could not join your paid classes. I have watched each and every free lectures that is available. I took teaching at one more institute, and for garnishing and for value addition, I used to use sleepy classes material and lectures.
Right. What other initiatives of sleepy classes did you used to follow? और कौन से other initiatives sleepy classes के आप follow करते थे?
Sir, I'm not able to exactly recollect the word, but एक topic को बहुत ज़्यादा in-depth analysis करके समझाते थे.
Few minutes series?
Yes, a few minutes series, exactly. I'm so sorry for not recollecting that. Yes, sir. I used to watch that. Intensively during my interview preparation, I watched it to get a thorough analysis of a particular topic.
Right. So otherwise, what was your strategy for general studies? For general studies, I mean, for GS papers, what was your strategy? In Odisha, is the GS pattern similar as to the UPSC pattern?
No, sir, it is not. Unfortunately, the attempt that I had given, it was not similar. But this year, I mean, from September onwards, when the new students will appear for prelims, they will be giving as of that of UPSC pattern.
Okay. So what was the GS pattern in OPSC?
Sir, there were basically two GS papers, GS1 and GS2. In GS1, we had history, geography, polity, and other subjects, and also the Odisha wala part, Odisha history, Odisha geography, social issues. And in paper 2, we had mostly science and technology. We had few portions of mathematics, permutation, combination, statistics.
Okay.
Then, computer was a subject also. And, sir, I think IR was there, and lot many sir I'm not able to recollect as of now.
Right, right. How is the difficulty level of OPSC prelims and UPSC prelims comparatively?
Okay. So last year when I gave, the question was on a very difficult side, I would say. Till 2020 attempt, questions were much easier. But last year it was very difficult. As I felt, because in my first attempt I had 104 marks in my prelims, but this year I have scored only 64, whereas the cutoff is 62, and last year the cutoff was 96. So you can just imagine how steeply the cutoff just fell down.
Right.
So this was difficult.
So this was
very
difficult.
Yes.
Right. So talking of difficulty, you've also seen UPSC prelims के जो paper आ रहे हैं. You didn't sit for it this year, neither last year, but you must have been seeing the question papers of UPSC prelims, and interestingly, they are becoming more difficult year by year.
Definitely.
And so is the case with your OPSC as well. Odisha prelims paper are also becoming difficult. So you have managed to clear the cutoff every time when you have given prelims. आपका cutoff last year भी हुआ और इस बार भी हुआ. So what is the strategy which you follow to clear prelims, and what is the piece of advice you would want to give to aspirants who are not only preparing for OPSC or different public state commissions but also for UPSC, and those people who are struggling to clear prelims? What would be your strategy?
I would not be the right person to guide UPSC aspirants as of now, sir. But I believe that OPSC aspirants, they have to thoroughly go through their basics, the static book. Their weightage is always high, and current affairs, definitely one should study current affairs, but one should not get mad with only current affairs and do it religiously for like 10-20 institutes. Stick to your basic books, LAXMIPRIYA'S, Spectrum, and just follow one current affairs source, and I think that would be more than sufficing.
Right. So what was your current affairs source? I mean, did you used to read newspapers every day, or used to watch some videos on YouTube?
No, sir. Initially, I used to sit for like 3 to 4 hours. I am talking about 2019 time when I used to sit for 3 to 4 hours with newspaper. But eventually, I knew how to filter it down. So it came down to at around, I think, 1 hour. And apart from that, I used to visionize monthly, and I used to follow a very thin booklet of Shunya IAS current affair notes. Those two were my primary tools for dealing with current affairs.
Right. And otherwise, you did your self-study all throughout? I mean, when you came back from Delhi, you did your self-study?
Yes, sir. Yes,
all
sir.
Self-study?
Yes, sir. I took help from different coaching institute. All that free materials that is available. Like आपके हो गए 15 minutes से series हो गए.
Right.
Budget के analysis, अपना economic survey के analysis, I used to go through them.
Right.
But as of now, only I was associated with Bajiram and Ravi, and later on with Pranay sir for sociology. All
right. Fair enough. And for your GS in Odisha, so the strategy was you revised your static books, LAXMIPRIYA'S, Spectrum, geography ke NCERTs and all that, and apart from that, you took help from the coaching materials. The coaching materials like the Vajiram materials and the free materials of CP classes and other academies as well, right? So what was your strategy for essay? Did you used to practice essay? You used to get them evaluated? How was it?
Sir, I forgot to mention one more institution that I was associated with here in Odisha. It was Synapse IAS. Okay. So I had taken their test series, both in prelims, mains, as well as the interview guidance. and they used to give us topics for essay. So I used to write them, get it evaluated from that coaching institute. So basically, my strategy was derived from that of Anudip Durishetty sirs.
Right.
I had read this book, how to make it multidimensional, how to code different things, and I think that book really helped. My essay score is also very good this time. I have got 112. So I think
nice.
sirs' advice has helped me a lot.
So 112 out of 250. The essay is also for 250 marks or 200 marks? 200 marks. So that's a good score. 112 out of 200. That's a very good score. Nice. And otherwise, you're comfortable in maths, because why I talk about maths and quant is because nowadays, if you're seeing UPSC papers, CSAT has become very difficult. How is the difficulty level of CSAT in Odisha? Do you find it almost similar to that of UPSC or somewhat lesser than UPSC?
It's way lesser than that of UPSC, I must say. I would admit that. UPSC is very difficult as far as CSAT or general GS is concerned.
Right.
But I was very good at reasoning and English.
Right.
Mathematics also I had practiced enough before going to exam, but my primary tools were English as well as reasoning.
Right.
To score high marks there. So.
Right. Amazing. Shekhar sir के जो sociology के lectures थे, how were they beneficial for you? How were you able to leverage sociology by watching sleepy classes?
Yes sir. So basically, पहले तो मैंने बताया कि कैसे मैंने choose किया sociology after watching Shekhar sir's video lectures. Thereafter, जो मैंने coaching में enroll किया था, I used to sit there. I was here in Odisha. I was through their online medium I was studying. So मैं पहले उनके lectures देख लेती थी. फिर I used to go through my basic books, Nitin Sangwan and others. And after that, अगर वही same topic है, for example historical materialism हो गया, या फिर suicides हो गया Durkheim का, तो I used to again like go to sleepy classes videos. I used to write them if there is something new. I can say that this example I have remembered very well. There is Rohit Vimula case sir had mentioned in fatalistic suicide. So ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद हो गया था. वैसे बहुत ज़्यादा acronyms जो सर ने बताया था. For example, एक था ideal types of I think capitalism. उसमें Y पे एक acronym दिए थे सर. Interest, profit and consumption. तो ऐसे कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे-छोटे चीजें होते हैं ना, बहुत ज़्यादा काम देते हैं एग्जाम में. When nothing strikes, but this small thing starts to your mind.
How did you cope up with this entire 4 years period? Because there must be ups and downs in the preparation cycle, a lot of stress, emotional mood swings and all happening. So how did you used to cope up with all these things?
Sir, it's very natural to feel all these lows during a preparation. Test में मार्क नहीं आएंगे तो फिर बुरा लगता है कि इतने efforts दिए थे but आया नहीं. My parents were my biggest supporter. They made me feel कि I'm inferior or I cannot do it. ऐसे बहुत टाइम थे जब मुझे लगा कि मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. But then my father particularly he used to say, no, you have to get into OPS. Have to make it this time. So he was the biggest supporter. And my mother also. Besides, there were 3-4. This preparation wala thing to many of my friends. It was a very I would say very secret kind of thing. I had not told a single person out there, but few friends knew. Some of them have been very supportive throughout this journey. रहा है ऐसे टाइम जहाँ पे breakdown होता था कि नहीं हो पाएगा और छोड़ देते हैं, but they have never let me back and they have ensured that I stick with this preparation and come out with flying colors.
So you had distractions? Did you used to be very active on social media, stuff like that, or you kept away all your distractions?
Sir, I had uninstalled Facebook in 2018 and I had uninstalled WhatsApp from 2019. I opened it last week only after my results.
Oh, I see. So after 5 years, you've opened up Facebook and WhatsApp.
Yes.
That's very good. Any other favorite pastime hobby, like any other thing you used to do in your free time?
I paint a lot, sir. Painting is my hobby. Besides cooking also, I like cooking. And
Right.
sometimes I watch also some good web series or films. That's
Right.
all about it. Yes, sir.
There is something with the people of Odisha, they're really fond of drawing. Because I was talking to another girl, Subhashri, she's also got a rank in OPSC. And even she was saying that she's fond of doing caricature, drawing cartoons. So I think
Okay.
there is something
Okay.
very good about the people of Odisha, that they like drawing and they like paintings and all, which is very good, which is a very good hobby, which is a very constructive hobby as well. Great. Any piece of advice you would want to leave on this departing note for the aspirants watching this video? Any kind of a message you would want to say to them?
I think, sir, there is no substitute to hard work. Keep working hard and don't listen to others. लोग ही बात बनाने के लिए and आपको demotivated feel कराने के लिए, don't listen to them. Just stick to your preparation and have believe in yourself and God. अगर आपके intentions सही हैं to get into this service, God will conspire. This whole universe will conspire to get into this service, and you are going to definitely come with flying colors.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So God bless you, Lakshmi. God bless you in abundance. Have a great career ahead. Have a great life ahead. And I really wish that you get your desired dream of a DYSP seat. And I'm sure that day is not very far when people would be saluting you. And, you'll be having that the bung kind of a personality over there. And so all the very best. All the very, very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. God bless you.